Hello everyone, my name is Rakibul Islam from BCA first semester Assam Downtown University. Today I am going to explain a very interesting topic, the evaluation of computers. How computers change from simple calculators to powerful modern machines. The word computer comes from the word compute, which means to calculate. At first, computers were made only for calculations, but over time they become smarter, faster, and more powerful in many fields. The evolution of computers is divided into five generations based on the technology used. The first generation of computers used vacuum tubes. They were very large in size, used a lot of electricity, and were slow processing. They weren't using machine language, only zeros and ones. Example include ENIAC, UNIVAC, and IBM 701. The second generation used transistors instead of vacuum tubes. These computers were smaller, faster, and more reliable. They also used assembly language, which was easier to understand. Examples are IBM 1401 and CDC 1604. The third generation introduced integrated circuits or ICs. This made computers smaller, cheaper, and much faster. The cloud now use high-level programming languages like C and Fortran. Examples are IBM 360 and PDP-8. The fourth generation used microprocessor, which means the entire CPU on a single chip. This was when professional computers were introduced. They become portable and affordable. Example includes Apple II and IBM PC. The fifth generation is what we use today. It uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics. These computers are very fast, smart, and can even think and learn. Examples include laptops, smartphones, and AI systems like ChatGPT and Siri. Today we use cloud computing, virtual servers, and even quantum computers are being developed. Computers are used in almost every field: education, medicine, business, and entertainment. In conclusion, computers have evolved rapidly from large, slow machines to small, smart, and powerful devices. Each generation brought improvements in speed, size, storage, and intelligence. Today's computers are truly changing the world. Thank you for watching. I hope